everyone, time to do a little update on the F-350. So as you can see, we got the 05 style grill and headlights installed. Looks so much better. Sorry for the shaky camera. So yeah, I just got done some repairs and taken it out for a drive. So it had a glow plug relay in it, and that got stuck open, so it drained the batteries. So we were able to pinpoint the problem and do some testing. We pulled all the fuses, found out that it was a non-fused circuit that was causing the drain, and then narrowed it down to that. So got that replaced and charged batteries and running good now. Yeah, I got some paint for these rockers, because whatever the previous owner did, you can see all these lines and cracks in it. It's under the fender as well. I got new window trims. Got our gauge here, and as you can see, we got it, all the wires hidden, tucked, and hardwired in, so no wires anywhere. Just those are the wires for the brake controller, and then plugged in there. Got the nice double din. Got our Bluetooth mic. Got it cleaned out a little bit, but still needs to go in for detailing. And we'll go under the hood here and show you a few things I've done. We got the S&B cold air intake. Pretty nice. It's got this nice cover over it, and it's drawing from inside the fender here, as well as from the front there. Back there. And then this is the relay that we replaced. And clean up the battery terminals. I put these belts down. Keep everything nice and clean looking and stop any battery acid from corroding more. We'll be ordering new terminals for that anyways. I want the military style. These ones are pretty old and beat up anyways. Got our nice big fog lights on the front. Oh, and this got stolen. Two of these were in the back because I had to get new brackets made, and those got stolen. And luckily I was able to find some on Kijiji, and they're the exact same kind, so which would be kind of ironic if it was the person that stole this truck, but I highly doubt that. But stranger things have happened. So yeah, with all that. Got the dirt tracks on there still. So what I was thinking, I was going to remove the running boards, and then when I paint this, I was going to use the proper rubberized undercoat. There'll be no more cracks. And then I was going to get a similar color match paint, and then paint the undercoat the same color. Let me know what you guys think. I think that'll look pretty nice. And then these will be painted with the undercoat, and then I could either leave them black or match them with the same paint. Yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. There's Nita coming out for a nice drive. Beautiful day out today. Yeah, please leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you aren't already. And thank you guys so much for watching.